Here you can see the consistent traffic of 1.4 billion visitors every single month, and the duration with 13 minutes and 25 seconds. Hello guys, welcome to this new video. This is Lucky Basel from Digital Mastery YouTube channel, where we talk about money making opportunities and tips and tricks to boost your income. Today we are going to talk about how we can promote a GG Store 24 product with a high volume of traffic. I'm not going to create a WarriorPlus account because it's so easy and you can do it without any training or support. Today we are going to promote secret email system, which is created in 2020 but revised and updated time to time. It is the good product to promote. That's why I'm gonna promote this product. Here we can see price of this product is $5 and we will get 100% of the first sale, and the conversion is 8% with over 20,000 sales. Per visitor's value is $1.1, which is quite good to promote. Let's visit the sales page. Here you can see all the information you require and the sales page of this product. We can see all the information and we can read here. You can see how it's gonna work and why it's different than other medium of traffic. You can see you can request to approval. I have already applied and get approved, so I'm just going to copy this link and we can go to bit.ly, so we can sort on the link and make it more beautiful than the original link. Before going to the actual traffic method, I want to talk about Tube Tornado app. Tube Tornado is the one of the best product I have ever used, which helps you and me to get more clients, and with very easy 15 seconds video. Just create 15 seconds video and upload to maximize your earning. You can visit the link in the description to get 3% off. Let's get back to the actual method. This site is called vk.com. This is one of the social media used in Russia. Most of the traffic in this site is coming from Russia. We can target Russian traffic through CPA marketing or actual product. But today we are going to target these clients with a WarriorPlus product. Here you can write a post, upload video, and make friends. This is exactly like Facebook. You can do everything in this site which you can do in the Facebook. You can copy information from the sales copy and paste here with the affiliate link. Copy and paste here. You can see it's successfully posted, and the link in the site is actually clickable. Here you can see people can click. That's why I don't have many followers or friends to get views. Still I have managed to get 1 views within 19 minutes. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out Tube Toronto app, which has offer for $3 within 19 minutes.